Hey guys, it's Joe from VMP. We're here today for another episode of Chucky. Today we're looking to go from 10.8 to somewhere way deeper in the 10s, hope maybe a 9. We'll see what happens. But what we've changed on the car is we've gone from 100 shot to 150 shot, and we changed the rear end gear ratio to a 373 in hopes that it leaves a little bit harder on the kit. But I guess let's get to the action, see what we can do on the track. So since we just had this car in the dyno, we bumped the air pressure up in the tires. Now that we're out at the track, we're going to drop them down to what seems to work for this car, and that seems to be about 14 to 15 PSI.
Bar she boils, Captain. First pass, I didn't make a hit on spray. I wanted to see how it do all motor first. Sound like we got to work on the shift point a little bit, and we'll hit it with spray on this next one. Thank you. So all motor, it ran at 12.2 at 111, and 60 foot was kind of crappy. It was a 1757. Thanks, man. But we'll see what we need to do, if we need to do anything, and go from there. Second pass. I have to change some of the stuff I did with the trans back to more of a blend of what it was doing before. Didn't seem to like some of the changes, but we'll see what the slip shows. Again, that pass was on nitrous. The launch felt a little bit better. It felt like the nitrous came on right out of the hole. Shut the log off, guys, after you're done with the pass. So that pass was 11.6 at 122. Their 60 foot was actually worse, 1856 that time. Didn't felt like it spin, but we'll look at the data and see what we got and go from there. Felt like it grabbed all the gears pretty decent. The 3.4 felt a little fuzzy, but it didn't sit on the limiter long. Not too bad for only getting 2 passes in ahead of it on a completely new setup with new gears, but we'll see what it does. I committed the cardinal sin. I didn't log the pass. Broke my own rule. I got a stage so quick I forgot to hit the button, but we'll see what the pass was. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that's 10.9 at 125. We'll have to check and see if the bottle pressure's a little off, because that doesn't make sense. Our
60 foot was a lot better at that time. 1.564 on 60 foot.
So we just got done making our last pass in Chucky, and basically what we need here is more seat time with the car and more passes on the track with some good data, just to see where exactly we need to move everything now that we have 373 gears in the car and the bigger shot of nitrous. But all in all, got most of it lined out, but just need a little bit more tweaking. Just make sure you tune into the next episode. We're going to try and get it past that 10.8 on the next trip out. And if you want to see more content about Chucky or anything else that we do here at VMP, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications.